Friends, so today I'm gonna understanding the basic problem of Leetcode. Okay, so the problem says that you have given an integer array. Like, let me take an example: 1, 3, 5, 2, and 8. And you have given also an integer k. Let me take k equals to 2. So we have to find all the we have to find the valid pairs firstly, and the ith value should be less than j, and j minus I should be greater than equals to k. And next thing is that we have to calculate the maximum value among all the valid pairs which are forming from these conditions. Okay. Okay. So move forward. Now, suppose let me 1, 3, 5, 2, and 8. If I'll find the maximum among all the elements of this array, in this array the maximum element is 8, and the second maximum is 5. And if I make pair of them, then I will get the maximum among all the valid pairs because their difference is also 2. K equals to 2 now, right? Yeah. So this is my valid pair. So how will I calculate this? Okay. So firstly, okay. So now here, let me take j equals to 2. Why I have taken j equals to 2? Because if I move behind that, I can't take this one element, because if I will take j equals to 1, I can't take the ith equals to 0, as their difference is not equals to 2, which is the value of k, right? So I'll have to take the j from second index 0, 1, and 2. Okay. So now for this j, our best element for this j equals to that is at index 0, j I equals to 0, and j equals to 2. This form the valid pair. Okay. So where for this valid pair, I have to take as this one 1 and 5. Now if I'll take I equals to 1 and j equals to 2, then that is also wrong, because that is also not their difference is not also equals to k, right? So yeah, I'll take difference as equals to 2. So now if I take j from j equals to k, if I take a loop from j equals to k, then what will happen? J equals to move from 2, and I have to take for this j equals to 2, the valid index would be 0. And for j equals to 3, the valid index would be what? 0 and 1. And for j equals to 4, the valid index would be 0, 1, and 2. This is now. Yeah. How can I get these value of j and these value of as ith index? So the brute force approach give TLE to me. Okay, I'm not telling you the brute force approach. I am telling you the optimized approach. So if I would take j equals to k and run loop from j equals to n, j less than n, and j plus plus. So my value would go from 2, 3, and 4. J value is done. Okay. Now for making a pair, I have to take the maximum value. Now. So for this maximum value, I'll take as I have to take the maximum. I mean the best value among all of them. Like this, like if I take if I would take j equals to as j value as equals to 3. Okay. So for j equals to 3, our value can be what? 0 and 1 index value, and the real value will be 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So the maximum among them is 3. So I have to take the maximum, right? Yeah. So I'll take the maximum, and the maximum will be what? 3. So I'll take the best equals to maximum of best, comma, my array of, and this value will be what? How can I give this value? I can give this value like j minus k, as j minus k would be what? J equals to 2, and k equals to also 2. J minus k equals to 0, and nums of 0 equals to 1. Okay. For this is running for j equals to 2. If no, I mean it is running for all, but this time I'm talking about j equals to 2. J equals to 2 here, 2, and this one also will be 2. So now I have to find the maximum. Okay, I have to store the maximum value of that pair, right? So for that maximum, I have taken here best equals to 0 and answer equals to 0. Answer variable stores what? The maximum of that valid pairs, and best equals to what? Best stores the maximum value which I can take with that. So with that pair, answer equals to maximum of answer, comma, nums of j, right? Answer equals to maximum of nums, comma, nums of j. So here now our loop will be completed. So how this loop is running, you understand? Okay, let me tell you once again. J equals to k, you have taken j equals to 2. Okay, so now for this j equals to 2, best equals to what? Maximum of best. Best equals to here 0, and here nums of j minus k, which is nums of 0, which is equals to 1. So 0 comma 1, best equals to what? 1. So our value stored 1, best. Answer equals to maximum of answer value will be what? Answer which is 0, and nums of j, which is j equals to 2, and nums of j equals to, here you can see in this array, nums of j equals to 5. Okay, so from 5. So answer equals to what? Nums of j. Yeah, so answer equals to what? 5. Sorry, here I have done one mistake. Best plus nums of j, because I have to take the sum of that value pair now. So 1 plus 5. Here 1 plus 5. Let me read it. 0 comma 1 plus 5. That is equals to 6. Okay, so now this is for now our answer is stored 6. Now for j equals to 3. Best equals to what? Best value stores 1. Now best equals to j, nums of j minus k, j equals to 3. Now j equals to 3 now, and 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So nums of 1, value is, nums of 1 is 3. 1 comma 3. So our best value become 3. Now answer equals to what? 6 comma 3 plus nums of j, nums of 3 equals to what? 2. So this is equals to 11. Now for j equals to 4, best equals to, what? 3 comma nums of j minus k means 4 minus 2, j equals to 2. So j equals to 2, what that? Yeah, 5. Nums of 2 equals to 5. So we have taken best equals to 5. Now answer equals to what? 11 comma best plus nums of j equals to 4, nums of j equals to what? 8. Yeah, so we will take 8. So the maximum value from here we will get 13. Now j has moved to j is less than n, so now the loop will stop, and our maximum value of answer equals to 30. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. Okay, thank you.